Thank you very much. Of course, it is necessary to combat disinformation and foreign interference. This interference has to be probated and proven. So once again, in the name of such interventions, democracy should never be limited. That is why we are going to propose the setting up of a parliamentary committee to investigate the cancellation of elections of last year, and also to try to launch an initiative, a popular initiative for dismantling the Constitutional Court of Romania, because this Constitutional Court issued last year unconstitutional decision cancelling the elections. The Constitutional Court should guarantee the supremacy of the Constitution and not disregard the Constitution. So once again, foreign interference has to be avoided and combated, but not used as a pretext to undermine democracy and rule of law, like it happened in Romania last year. Thank you.